Recording.
Okay, we're going to start drawing 4 by creating a rectangle. So we can create rectangle from the main menu, 1 point, select the bottom square here, and the width of it is 8.5 and the height is 5. Hit F9 on your keyboard to show the axes and the origin. We're going to snap to the origin, place by clicking the mouse. Alt F1 on the keyboard to resize your screen, Alt F2 to zoom out 20%. Next, we're going to create some lines, horizontal and vertical cross inside the square. So we're going to say create line, endpoints, midpoint, from one side to the other side, from the top to the bottom. From the main menu next, we're going to offset the left vertical line in 2.25 inches. So we'll say Xform offset, copy, 2.25. Okay, click on the line that we want to offset, move your mouse to the right and click in the direction of the offset. Got it? Next we're going to create a polar line. Create line, polar, endpoint. From the endpoint of this purple line towards the bottom, we want 180 degrees minus 30 because we want a 30-degree angle here, and drawing a line in this direction is 180 degrees and we just want to go up 30. 2 inches long. We're going to go ahead and trim this. Modify trim 1, trim you here, and trim you here, trim you here. So we click what we want, and then we click where we want it to stop at the intersection of this line. Next we're going to create 2 small squares. Xform offset. We're going to offset the outside, we're going to offset the cross 1.5 inches. We're going to offset this direction, this direction, this direction, and this direction. Modify trim 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Delete your construction line that we used to create the polar line. We're almost done. So now all we have to do is say Xform offset 1 inch. Xform offset 1 inch distance, and we'll go from here to here. Next step, we're going to offset this vertical line to the left 3/4 of an inch. 0.75 distance. Then we're going to offset this horizontal line that's glowing white down 1 inch. So I changed the distance to 1. Now we have all the information we need to finish the drawing. So let's go ahead and clean up our construction lines. Modify, trim 2. Click, click. Click, click. Back up, trim 1. Click, click. Click, click. This should be pretty much everything we need to finish the drawing based on the lines of symmetry we have. The cross represents our lines of symmetry. So now I'm going to get rid of everything else that's not this bottom left corner of the drawing. Modify, trim, 1 entity. Trim, stop. Trim, stop. Trim, stop. Trim, stop. Trim, stop. Trim, stop. These are your extra lines now outside, so we're going to jump into the delete menu. Delete, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're at the last 2 steps. From the main menu, Xform, mirror, all, entities, done, on a line. The line that we're choosing is this line, the vertical line to the right. We're going to copy. Okay. Now we want all of this to be copied up. So we're going to say all entities again, done, line, and now we have the whole drawing. The last step is we're going to delete your construction lines. Delete, 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 delete. There's 2 lines in every one of those positions. You can clear colors, and this is the drawing.